Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. I want to talk about this mini heat gun that I use for my crafting and just exactly why I love it. So guys, as you can see here, this heat gun is really handy. It is a really great size and it has the controls here as well. So it has like a medium and high setting for heat. Personally, for my resin work, I use the medium setting, but I have used the high setting to melt plastic and things around tubing or wires. I also really love the fact that it has this little stand here. So I can place it down and it will rest and the heat doesn't directly hit on the board or the table or any place you're putting it, which is super important. I also appreciate it has a really long cord, so I have this plugged into the wall and I still have enough flexibility to be able to maneuver it around. So I love it. I think it's really handy. It is a great size. Using it is super simple and I've used it way more than I thought I would with my resin work because it really does help. So guys, I think we can agree this is a great accessory to use if you do like crafting or if you do things that need a heat gun but you don't want to really invest in a huge piece of equipment. This does it really well, but that's just my point of view.